Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to download and set up a GitHub into your computer. So to download and set up a GitHub, you can simply go to your browser and open any empty tab and just type git. And the first link that will open is the git SCM, where you can simply click on it and then it will open your system compatible git version. It will provide you your system compatible git version. For example, I am on Windows, so it will give you the Windows link, window download link. You can click on it. Or for example, if you are on Mac, Linux, so it will provide you the Linux and Mac versions also. So when you click on it, so it will either it can simply download it, or you can or it can give you the link, so you can click on it and it will start your downloading. So here I can pause the video, and now the Git is installed. So when I click on it, so the first requirement is you cannot directly install it. You can right click on it and then run it as an administrator, so that you will have all the privileges. Okay, so once you can start running it as an administrative mode, so what can happen, prompts. For example, the first one, you can click on it, just click on install, and then the next one is basically the location or the path where you are going to install a GitHub into your computer. Not GitHub, you can install Git into your computer. In the later part of the video, we can discuss the difference between both Git and GitHub. Okay, it is already installed in my computer, so it is asking me either I want to remove the previous folder. So yes, I am going to remove it, but it will not ask this question to you. So these are basically the few prompts. You cannot change any setting. Okay, you can select the default setting for here. You can click on next. Same process. You can click on next. Here you can explore the option, but do not change the default setting. Just click on next, and the same process in a same cyclic process, next, and at the end, when all the prompts are completed, it will ask you the last prompt as a install. And when you click on the install option, it will start installing into your computer, and it will take a few minutes or few seconds. It depends on your system speed. So now the last prompt occur, which is basically it is saying that the Git is successfully installed. And now I have two options. One is I can check the first option, which is I am going to launch GitHub, launch Git, and I'm uncheck the view release note, because I'm not going to read the release note. Then I click on the finish. Then after that, it will open a default prompt or the Git prompt, which is provided by basically the Git. Okay. So this is basically the terminal. You can also integrate this terminal into your VS Code, where you can write your code, and simply using that terminal to upload your code on GitHub. Okay. Also, you can, if you are going to use your normal command prompt or PowerShell, you can also use that, and inside of that terminal you can also use the Git commands. Okay, now the last question is, what is the difference between Git and GitHub? So GitHub is basically a cloud, or the platform, or where your code, your content, or your material is stored. And there are two copies. One is a local copy, which is in your computer, and one is a copy which is stored on cloud. For example, you have done some updates on your computer, on your local copy, and now you are going to sync it onto the cloud, or you have to upload that or update your code or update your content on GitHub, on cloud. So what you can do, you can use a tool which is basically a Git. So with the help of Git, you can upload your code on GitHub. So you can upload your code on cloud with the help of Git tool. So Git is basically a tool, and GitHub is a platform or a cloud where your code or your files are stored. And thank you very much for watching this video. And those who are the student of our current batch, please follow this video. And before the next class, you must have to download and install GitHub into your computer, and please create an account on GitHub also. Thank you very much.